how does our law firm work? How does CarolinaAttorneys.com work, especially with family law cases in Charlotte? The answer is we take a team approach, and this is pretty common amongst law firms, as you might imagine. And it has to do with fee structures and billing and things of that nature. And we try to make it unique to you and your case. But we have a team of lawyers, and we oftentimes will professionally bounce things off of one another. There will normally be a primary attorney assigned to your case. In fact, normally we have 2 or 3 lawyers looking at things to make sure we don't, frankly, miss anything. We're human beings, and I like to have that thought process. I like to have that procedure in place, and I'm the senior attorney at the firm, so I think it's a good idea and something we've done for years. But we also use legal assistants to give updates of information. We don't use legal assistants or paralegals to provide legal advice at all, but if you have a question regarding did you get my financial affidavit, it's cheaper to call the paralegal and say, yeah, I got these documents and I need these. It's a lower hourly rate than calling the senior attorney at the firm. I don't mind taking the phone calls. I just try to keep the cost down as much as possible. Sometimes this, my fee is more expensive than an associate's fee, and so I'll have the associate work on some of the background materials. Now, if the question is, who's going to court for me? Normally, it's me or one of my associates and me. It depends on the complexity of the matter. There are some cases that are just so incredibly complex that we've got lawyer, legal assistant, or lawyer, legal assistant. And this may have to do with cases that have huge equitable distribution issues or really complex child support issues where there's family counselors and there are allegations of substance abuse or traumas and things of that nature. So the answer is it depends. Now, is there a level of accountability? Absolutely. And if a person ever has a question and calls our law firm and wants to know something, or heaven forbid doesn't like something, call me. My name is Bill Power, 704-342-4357. I'm here to help. I don't have any problem jumping in and taking a look at things. We like to address things head on. Sometimes in life or anything else, it can be complicated. The key is I want people to realize, and I think the reason people ask that question is they want to be assured that someone actually knows what they're talking about and is familiar with the case. We do the multiple lawyer thing not to be not to have the knowledge base or to be separated from the facts of your case. It's quite the contrary. We do it so that we have multiple people involved in the case, and to make sure that any one attorney handling the matter for litigation is aware of all the nature and circumstances of your matter. Plus, I'm thinking about it, if I'm going into surgery and I can have 3 doctors looking at my medical condition, the more eyes and ears on your case, the better, in my mind. We put that in the contract. We do written contracts on family law cases, whether it's an hourly rate. We set forth what the hourly rate is for me, the attorney, or one of my associates, or even a legal assistant, and we tell you how we bill, and we bill in increments of tenths of hours and things like that. So the answer is, who is my lawyer? Well, it depends on primarily how you want to go and what direction you want to head in handling the case. So telephone number 704-342-4357. We'll be able to work this out with you and explain how the process works and work towards getting in a direction that you want to go and your goals of a particular case. I look forward to hearing from you.